Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of Mountie Minutes. I'm your host, Natalia Cancel.
And I'm your co-host, Nina Ron.
Getting into this week's top story, our first story is a recap of last Friday's Songs of a Generation Assembly.
Enjoy the performances, ask questions, clap.
Traditionally, the kente cloth is a hand-woven silk and cotton.
Want the emotion?
I'm running to the soul, never in it, never lasting, yeah, you know what's gonna happen.
Okay, next on to the lunches.
Welcome to our weekly lunch segment, everyone's favorite, Mountie Meals. My name is Liba Ali. Today, there is a choice of buffalo chicken or cheese quesadillas. Tuesday is chicken and gravy with sides. Wednesday, there will be turkey barbacoa nachos. Thursday, we will have pancakes and sausage patty with sides. And Friday, there's Thai sweet chili chicken with sides. Now, on to our weekly weather report.
Hello, I'm this week's weather forecaster, Alyssa Brownsville. Today it is sunny with a high of 41 degrees. Tuesday, it should be partly cloudy with a high of 56 degrees. Wednesday, it should be rainy with a high of 60 degrees. Thursday, it should be partly cloudy with a high of 49 degrees. Friday, we expect it to be partly cloudy and a high of 47 degrees. Now on to this week's activities.
For activities this week, we have the National Honor Society blood drive signups in the cafeteria during lunches from Monday to Wednesday. Tuesday and Thursday, 2:30 to 4, peer tutoring and chess in the library. 2:30 to 4, Science Olympiad practice Tuesday and Friday. 2:30 to 4:15, Best Buddies meeting in the cafeteria on Wednesday. 2:30 to 3:30 Wednesday, Model UN/Congress meeting in B105. And Thursday, 2:30 to 4, FBLA study session.
This week in athletics, we have spring sports starting, which is very exciting. Yay! That's all for this week's edition on Mountie Minutes.
Have a good week, guys.
Bye!